Hi everyone and welcome back to Nenagh Library for this week's craft session. My name is Breda. Today we're going to make a sock Easter bunny. Now, this is going to be a lot of fun, and if I ever go too fast, remember you can always pause the video and take extra time to complete a step. You will need a man's sock, some rice, some ribbon, some bows to decorate, a pom-pom for the nose, some pipe cleaners, some buttons for the eyes, and a scissors. So we begin by getting our bowl of rice, and we'll get our sock, and we'll get our cup with a hole cut out, and we'll place it inside the sock, and we'll fill it with rice. So now that our sock is half full of rice, we begin by making the bunny shape. So next we'll tie the top of the sock with a piece of string. Squeeze the sock to make the body and the head shape. Tie a piece of string around the middle to hold the shape. And now to make the ears, cut the excess from the sock and then split it and cut it down the middle. And now I'm going to round the end of the ears with a scissors. And now I'm just going to tie a ribbon around her neck. And now we'll use another ribbon to tie a bow on top of her head. And now we'll use the scissors to trim off the excess ribbon. And now we decorate her ribbons with some nice flowers. I'm going to use some buttons for her eyes, but you can use some googly eyes or whatever you have at home. I'm using glue to secure the eyes to the face. And for whiskers, I'm going to twist some pipe cleaners together and secure them together with some glue. For the nose, we're going to use a pom-pom, and we're going to attach it to the whiskers with some glue. And here is our finished Easter bunny. I hope you have fun making one at home too. Thanks for watching. Bye!